much. When you become untouchable, you're unable to touch. Is there a real me? Pop the champagne. It hurts me just to think, and I go to pain. Staying still